Hey guys! Hi! We're so excited to bring you a sneak peek. No longer. The thing is real. 4 colors from the summer collection.
Untitled Beauty Worldwide.
No more sneak peek, no more behind the scenes. They're there, they are here. And you can buy them online. Yes! So, we have one color that is totally different from all of the shades that we have in our collection.
And that is Girl
Bye.
Bye. It's our first metallic lip, you guys. It's a soft pink metallic that is just to die for.
It is gorgeous. So, we're going to do swatches to show you what it looks like on both Johnny and I. So that way our clients can tell, you know,
what they want to buy.
If they want to rock Girl Bye or the other 3. And I won't tell you the other 3 names yet until we get to them.
There.
Yes. So, we're starting off with Girl Bye. And I'm going to let you see, even if it doesn't look good on me.
Are you digging in?
Yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and let you see it.
Oh my god. I'm using a mirror. BRB.
Look at that. Britney Spears, bitch, where you at? I got a color for you. Shit.
This is beautiful.
Oh, I love it. You know what I love about our products, and I'm sorry.
Okay,
like,
this feels like
Johnny, I'm trying to tell you.
butter.
Yes, like I was going to say something. Our products feel so good on the lips. Like, you can't stop doing this. Because it feels so good. It feels so hydrated. It feels like there's a lot of moisturizer in it. Like, I can't stop rubbing it on my lips. Oh, God.
That is gorge.
Now, if you're looking at this and you're a boogie down brown girl, don't freak out. Okay, calm down. Shade of this metallic. Because what you can do is add a brown or a deep burgundy lip liner.
It's perfect. That's a sassy lip.
Girl Bye.
Girl Bye.
And be honest, Johnny, to our girls and our guys. Let the entitled babes know how it feels. Because,
It feels wet right now.
which is normal. I like it, but, you know, I'm going to be quiet. I just want to see what our fans say. Okay, go ahead and in there. Let them see it. Close.
That's a good pop of like a highlight or a foil lid.
It's good, like a foil metallic lid.
Oh my god.
Yeah. So, okay, now I'm going to give my little 2 cents.
Give it. Give it.
So
Brandy.
what I would do as a makeup artist of 22 years in the beauty entertainment industry,
Love it.
right? I would take and do a base first. Like a vanilla porcelain eyeshadow all over the eye.
I agree.
Then I would take and put that lipstick color only on the lid. Then I would follow by very light with a little powder or a shadow color on top. So that way it just really stays. But we're going to see what happens. We're going to keep that on Johnny and see what happens because we still have 3 more colors to go with.
Show you guys.
And let's see what it does, okay? And this is Get Naked.
And it has a summer undertone, I call it.
The beauty expert here. So I'm going to go ahead and go with Get Naked.
Obsessed.
And you tell me if you all are loving this. And I have really full lips. And you can see I'm not double dipping. I'm not adding
It's a one swipe.
anymore. I'm just working with what's on my applicator.
Oh my god.
Yes.
I knew I loved this.
Look at this. Look at my lip. My big ass lips.
It's like
Oh my god, it's everything. I love it. Let me see it on you. That's perfect for you, Johnny.
It has almost like a peachy
Undertone.
undertone.
Yeah.
Summer undertone.
What did it look like
Look
for
at
me?
us get naked.
Oh, my husband hates when I do that lip.
How to look.
I love it. You are loving
obsessed.
it? Okay. Pose.
The lab delivered what we asked for,
Pose.
and they gave it to us.
Pose. This color's making me act up. In a week or so, I don't know, depending on my schedule, I'll try to make a video of me wearing Costa Rica and then putting on
Oh my god, this might be my new favorite gloss.
Housewife. Let me see it on you. Yeah, see on you. It looks really good.
So it's just a soft orange.
Uh-huh.
Beautiful shine. Perfect shine.
The shine is everything. There's everything. Say it again. What is it?
Perfect shine.
Oh, okay.
And it's not too tacky. I wonder why. Who created it? We did.
So, Housewife. This is Side Chick. Let's see. Do you all see that?
Oh.
And I'll do the same thing with the pinks and with the reds with Side Chick. Let's see. I already see what it's doing.
The glitter we chose for this is sick.
Because it's not like crazy, like that cheap baby glitter.
No.
It's for grown women.
It's fine glitter.
It's for a grown woman.
Beautiful.
Let's just say that. Bye.
Oh, let's look.
I still think it looks good. What it's doing a little bit, that's why I'll put a shadow.
Creasing?
A crease. So I'm just being honest with you guys. I'll put a little shadow on top so it wouldn't do that.
Okay.
But it still looks good.
And this is Housewife
No. On the eye.
on my lip. I mean, side check. On my
Oh,
lip.
we all confused.
I know.
On the eye.
The glitters look so
it's the-
good on you.
The
on
eye
your
is
lip.
girl bye.
The eye is girl
The
bye.
lip is Side Chick.
Lip is side check. And look at it.
I feel like it
I
makes
can see the glitter on you. It's crazy.
it feel like it's making
Like, you guys can't see it, but, like, in person, like, it's like the stars.
Oh, I like that.
Can you see it on me?
Yeah, I can see like a little boom. Yeah,
Yeah.
like the stars.
We chose the best glitter.
I love it. Because it's not like over the top cheap.
No.
It's not over. It's like very just like faint.
Dude,
We did it.
cannot beat
We
this.
did that shit. Oh, love it.
So this is going to look great over reds and pinks that
So,
we have.
as you can see,
We did it again.
the summer colors are to die for. So, start ordering, guys. Get your summer colors in.
Thank you for the order already without us even swatching.
I know. All right, guys, you gotta go.
See you, bye.
And love you, mean it.